Sheet drawing improvement. We have some amazing improvements in sheet drawing. We added Alternatif Position View, 3D crop, batch drawing format attributes replacement and multi-print. Alternatif Position View. First, create a component configuration in the assembly environment. The alternate position views are created based on the main views to present the component status in different configurations in such a way. 3D crop. We added 3D crop to the drawing sheet environment, which supports 3D cross-section setting. Based on the generated views and achieved generating drawing sheets of modeling by picking section. We can acquire the region parameter of the reference view by selecting the reference section. We can also set up regional parameters by previewing the current model. Batch drawing format attributes replacements offers a fast way to batch modified sheet templates. Both multiple root object files and single root object files are both supported by the command. The interface of batch drawing format attributes replacement is divided into two pages sheets to replace and shift format. We also added multi-print to increase the efficiency of sheet printing in batch. Multi-print supports printing multiple drawing sheets of multiple files at once. After the files are selected, the drawing sheets of files will be listed in the sheet list. Check the checkbox in front of the sheets for batch printing.